Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by building a recovery USB so you can repair Windows 11 immediately. Plug a 16 GB USB into a healthy PC, then run the media creation tool, choose USB flash drive. This writes a bootable installer and recovery environment. Once done, make sure to eject cleanly and label the stick. If your PC won't boot to the installer, stop and confirm your BIOS or UEFI allows USB boot, and that secure boot or RAID settings won't block the media. You now boot the troubled PC from the USB stick. Hit F12, F11, ESC, or enter your firmware menu, then select the USB device. Once the Windows installer loads, choose Repair Your Computer, Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. Start with Startup Repair to fix bootloader and system file issues automatically. If that fails, run System Restore to revert to a prior state, or uninstall updates to remove a bad patch. Keep an eye on error codes and note them for deeper fixes. You finish with targeted command line repairs if automated tools failed. Open Command Prompt and run boottrack commands to restore the bootloader. Follow with chkdsk on the system drive if corruption is suspected. If repairs still fail, use Reset This PC to reinstall Windows 11, choosing to keep files when possible. Finally, one key troubleshooting tip. If the USB won't boot, make sure firmware mode matches how the USB was created. Switch legacy versus UEFI.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.